Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Devin Karaisya Intan Febria with student ID number 2024-32016A from the Information System Department. In this video, I will explain the report that I have made. First, we will start with the practicum report about machine learning using the decision tree algorithm and the IRIS dataset from scikit-learning. Okay, in this first, I import library, and this several library are imported such as pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and Seaborns for data processing and visually scikit-learning. Libraries are also used to load the dataset and this and split the data, create the decision tree model, and evaluating the model performance. Okay, and then next in the load dataset, in this step, several libraries are imported, such as pandas, numpy, and matplotlib, and this is load into data frame to make the data easier to analyze. The dataset contains 4 feature and 1 target class. Yes, and this is output. Okay, the next using the view dataset information, and the data info function is using to display information about the dataset, such as data type, total data, and missing values. And this output and this print data info, and the data subscribe function in using to know statics information like mean, minimum value, maximum value, and standard deviation. This. Okay, and this checking missing value. And this step check whether the dataset contains missing value. The result shows that there are no missing value in the dataset. Yes. And the next, data visualization in the PyProt visually is using to see a relationship between feature and the distribution of irregular class. This output. Okay, and the next, determine feature and target, and variable x is using for feature, and the y using for the target or class table. Okay, and the next, splitting training and testing data, and the dataset is defined into training data and testing data with this. And the next, creating the decision tree model, and the decision tree model is created using the Gini correction and training using the training data. Okay, and next you making prediction, and this the model prediction the iris flower class using the testing data, and you calculating model accuracy. In this accuracy is using to make sure the model perform on training and testing data. This the output. Okay, and the displaying classification report. The classification reports no evaluation metrics such as prediction, recall, F1 score, and support. This. Okay, and the decision tree visualize the visually display structure of the design tree and the decision rules using from classification. In this, the output. Okay, maybe it. I think that is all for my explanation. I apologize if there are any mistake in my work or presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.